A new stage in the study and teaching of English. The landscape of English language learning and teaching has undergone a dramatic transformation over the past few decades. Technological advancements, globalization, and shifting educational priorities have all contributed to the emergence of a new era in the field. This essay will explore some of the key developments driving this evolution and discuss the implications for both learners and educators. One of the most significant changes in the study and teaching of English has been the proliferation of technology. The Internet has revolutionized access to information, communication, and learning resources. Online platforms, language learning apps, and virtual classrooms have become integral parts of the educational experience. These tools offer learners opportunities to practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing in a variety of contexts and at their own pace. Additionally, they enable educators to personalize instruction, provide immediate feedback, and track student progress more effectively. Globalization has also played a crucial role in shaping the field of English language education. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the demand for English proficiency has grown exponentially. English is now widely recognized as the lingua franca of business, diplomacy, and academia. Consequently, English language programs have expanded to meet the needs of a diverse range of learners, including professionals, students, and travelers. This globalization trend has also fostered a greater appreciation for cultural diversity and intercultural communication, which are essential components of effective English language teaching and learning. Another important development in the field has been a shift in educational priorities. Traditional approaches to language teaching, which often emphasized grammar and vocabulary acquisition, are giving way to more communicative and learner-centered methods. The focus is now on developing learners' ability to use English effectively in real-world situations. This means that students are encouraged to engage in authentic language tasks, such as role plays, simulations, and discussions, rather than simply memorizing rules and vocabulary. Furthermore, there has been a growing recognition of the importance of critical thinking and problem-solving skills in English language learning. These skills are essential for success in both academic and professional settings. English language educators are increasingly incorporating activities that promote higher-order thinking, such as analyzing texts, evaluating arguments, and synthesizing information. The new stage in the study and teaching of English has also been influenced by advancements in research and theory. Linguists, psychologists, and educational researchers have made significant contributions to our understanding of language acquisition, learning, and teaching. Their findings have informed the development of innovative teaching methodologies and assessment practices. In conclusion, the study and teaching of English are undergoing a period of rapid transformation. Technological advancements, globalization, shifting educational priorities, and research-based innovations are all driving this evolution. As we move forward, it is essential for educators to stay informed about the latest developments in the field and to adopt teaching methods that are both effective and engaging. By doing so, we can help learners achieve their full potential and prepare them for success in a globalized world.